Well, back again with a special video. You know what this is? It's my plaque. YouTube just sent it to me. 30 subscriber. Let's get opening. Let's get started. Dear Fred77, shitty as name by the way, we congratulate you on your 30 sub journey. Hope you enjoyed this shitty ass cardboard piece of garbage. Signed, Susan. P.S. Get a high quality camera, you 5'2" midget fuck. Stop using that Walmart Android your mom gave you, bitch. Okay. Here's the mother piece, bruv. Here's the mother piece. If y'all ninjas has been waiting for. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see? This is my 30 sub freaking thing. I don't know if yo ninjas can see. As you can see, it's pretty D. It's pretty me. It's pretty fee. As a chicken of my own, they spelled my thing wrong, but it's I, you know. And thank you. You made this, not me. You. Yee.